Australia, with its vast and diverse landscape, presents challenges for critical industries like healthcare, mining, manufacturing, tourism, and construction. Remote locations and logistical hurdles demand innovative solutions. Enter EDDY Pump, a trusted choice offering specialized pumping and dredging solutions tailored to meet the unique demands of each sector. Opting to rent EDDY Pump equipment provides flexibility and cost-effectiveness for industries, allowing access to cutting-edge technology without the long-term commitment of ownership. EDDY Pump offers a range of solutions, including submersible and self-priming slurry pumps, flooded suction pumps, and advanced dredge equipment. Australia's primary industries face specific challenges. Healthcare deals with logistical hurdles in remote areas. Mining requires efficient material handling for sustainable operations. Manufacturing needs streamlined supply chains. Tourism demands well-maintained infrastructure. And construction faces challenges in material transfer over extensive distances. EDDY Pump addresses these challenges with tailored solutions across various industries. Our self-priming slurry pumps enhance mining efficiency, streamline manufacturing supply chains, maintain tourism infrastructure, and facilitate efficient construction material transfer. Emphasizing environmentally friendly practices, EDDY Pump's slurry pumps minimize ecological impact during dredging, ensuring compliance with environmental standards. Adaptability to project dynamics is critical, with flexible rental options allowing industries to scale equipment based on changing needs. Healthcare facilities benefit from EDDY Pump's slurry pumps, addressing specific demands for efficient wastewater management and sediment disposal. Now diving into dredging solutions, EDDY Pump's hydraulic dredging equipment efficiently manages tailings, transports minerals, and streamlines supply chain logistics in manufacturing. It supports tourism infrastructure, aids construction material transfer, and aligns with environmentally friendly practices in mining and construction. EDDY Pump's strategic locations across Australia ensure prompt service, serving industries from Melbourne to Port Macquarie. As industries seek reliable and adaptable solutions in Australia's competitive landscape, EDDY Pump is preferred for pump and dredge equipment. Explore EDDY Pump's cutting-edge technology today to navigate the complexities inherent in Australia's industrial landscape. Buy or rent an EDDY Pump today and experience efficiency in every pump and dredging solution. Explore our rental services today. We pump solids, not water.